Guys, today I want to do a shout out to Andrew Appleton and All Day RC and their brand, guys. I want to do an unboxing, guys, of his battery straps this morning and just kind of show you what they are and show you their worth, guys. So
the gentleman that packaged these up did an excellent job. I don't really want to cut into it, guys, because it's so close. Don't want to package it too good.
it's got this nice Velcro strap. It's black and red. Ooh, I like that. I like that it's got some black on it. Look at that, guys. Comes with these nice, oh, I don't know, what are these, 4 by 15 or 4 by 16 cap hex heads, guys. Check out that, guys. And it looks like maybe that's a standoff. All Day RC's got it going on, guys. Screws out of the bottom, guys. So right now, guys, I'm just taking off the brace, the chassis brace, so I can just pull the whole thing up at once. Guys, that's what I'm going to do, since both sides have to come out. And this thing is a beast, guys. This truck is huge. This is really the second time I've worked on it, guys. I put the RPM rear hubs on it. Third time. I broke an arm, guys, a front arm on this truck so far. So this must just go like this. What else is this bolted down to? Is it bolted down right there? It is. So here's the last 4 bolts, guys. Okay, so moving forward, guys, this thing is just going to pull right up. Oh. After we cut this wire. Yeah, and unhook the motor. Oh. Okay, finally, voila. So there you go, guys. Brace comes off. Guys, check this out. All Day RC stuff. I love it. Alright, so here we go. Moving on, guys. We're going to take these off so we can put it in there and lay it out and mark it. Heck, we might as well just drill it, guys. See here, that just lays right in there. You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna center it up, put it in there centered, up against there tight. No, we're gonna go all the way to the back. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll just go right centered so we can get the dirt out if we have to. Okay, guys? Get that 4mm drill bit going up against there. Spacer's still there. Alright, guys. Let's get the excess plastic out of there. Put all these hexes back in, guys. Just put them all back in. Then what you can do, you can flip it on a side, put all the spacers on. Maybe you need to use this. There we go. Alright, so they're all in. Now we just got to get them all in through the chassis. Which, you know, okay guys, that's in pretty much. So maybe I need to use this. There we go. Alright, so they're all in. Now we just got to get them all in through the chassis. Which, you know, okay guys, that's in pretty much. Not quite done yet guys, but let's flip it over. That's what's nice about the XMAXX. And we'll stick these lock washers, lock nuts on here. Got a nice little rubber bushing in there, locks it in place. So you won't need any Loctite on these guys. Tighten those down with, I'm just going to take a guess. I'm going to use my MIP 7mm. Yep. Snug it down. Snug it down, guys. And this one is done. Done. Check that out. That's awesome. I am digging it. Check my spacing again. Yep, perfect. First one's in. Alright guys, so that ends the video for today. That is Andrew Appleton's all-day RC battery straps, guys. I got one in for you guys. And I think they're going to perform pretty awesome. They're not going to fly out. No trays are going to open up for this bashing we're going to do. So, love you guys. See you back on the next one.